All right, guys, we're gonna do a little maintenance on the 97 Ford F-150. It's my personal vehicle. It's basically just used for scrap and odds and ends. But we're gonna call this Name That Sound. And maybe this will help somebody out here to, one, identify a serious problem brewing, and maybe motivate them to fix it themselves or take it and get it fixed. So we're waiting for Caleb to bring the rusty 97 F-150 that starts and drives and runs every day. 160, almost 170,000 miles, and no diff chatter. So we're waiting for Caleb to come around with it. We're gonna call this one Name That Sound. I've always wanted to do a video like that. I don't think you have to accelerate that hard, but do it. How about we ratchet strap you under the truck with my phone?
No.
And then I do it. Yeah, do it again.
No, you heard it that time.
Do it again. I'm gonna get on this side where the exhaust isn't loud. All right, thank you. Have a great day. So we're gonna call that one Name That Sound. I already know what it is. That's the rear U-joint, non-serviceable U-joint. Probably original 170,000 mile U-joint. All right, we'll bring you back when we have the drive shaft out.